Hello, this is Nate with Fonth Electronics Project 5, the Night Rider lights. Real quick, here is an image of the circuit. So the way it works is you have an astable vibrator here with a 555 timer. It is being used as a clock for the decade counter right here, hidden behind this capacitor, cleverly. The mess of wires there is because whoever designed the decade counter was having an aneurysm at the time. So it's a little messy, but it works. There are some random components in here that are, don't worry about them, they're just being stored. And then there is 6 of these instant turn on, slow discharge circuits that are in parallel being turned on by the decade counter in a specific configuration that you'll see soon. This was a circuit that was shown in Project 4. And then this potentiometer is here to help to speed up or slow down the 555 timer. And this right here is just a little filter I made for the LEDs so that they look cooler. So we'll pop that back on there and I'll actually point it at the camera a little more, I think. Yeah, it should be all right? So it runs off 9 volts, so it's good to go on just a battery. So if we turn it on by just doing this, here we go. There it is. And so it looks vaguely square on the LEDs, which is pretty nice in my opinion. And of course I have to keep it plugged in if I want it to work, so maybe point it at the screen a little more, maybe. But you can speed it up or slow it down with this. So it can go pretty slow. I could probably make it slower by changing which resistor this potentiometer is taking up on the 555 timer. I don't remember if it's RA or RB necessarily, but it's the one in between pins 6 and 7, so I'm pretty sure that in the equation for the 555 timer, that's the one that's being doubled. So I think that means that that's about as probably slow as I can get without doing some crazy math. But then you can also make it go pretty fast to the point where you can only see the sides flickering. I'm not sure how it looks on camera. You can barely see it. The sides, of course, are only, the 2 on the sides are only being triggered once, whereas every other pair of LEDs is being triggered twice because it's counting to 10, but it's counting, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that sort of thing. So yeah, this is honestly an insanely fun project to build. I feel very good about it. I ended up using a circuit that I kind of accidentally designed, and then I used a circuit that another student sort of probably not accidentally designed. And so it's kind of, I guess in that way, a team effort. And it actually worked on the first try, which is unheard of. So thumbs up. Cool.